emfa opra emfa mbrehu nemdua no ana say emfa oseye emfa ma properties inyama etwa ho ehia aha nti se ye ka se safety a na ne nkyase eno no
nti ende no ye di amount ende ye kɔ ne se ankasa se emfa brain no wona obi be se ye waso ye
okay because na ade a ha me yes galamsey issue no and I wish to say because a safety issue.
Definitely.
And when we talk about safety, 4 things comes in there. Health, one. Safety, no, one. We talk about environment, and you see another one that makes it 3. And the last one is security.
Okay.
It over here say obi training time by security, safety. Everyone say initials HSES and actually HSSE. So when we be said that, so that is the full health, safety, environment, and security. So when we are talking about health and safety, we talk about these 4 bodies. You know, it falls at the environment. If you say, you share and that I am not because me share brand misa 40 years back. Now me share said there ye dear grandfather ade na me share and there a year na me sum e ma omo bebre e ya me sum omo bebre me kwala penyi de na wo mu na me ne no kasa na me ma me bi wa kra ne ba oni me ba penyi no the same yi na me tu no for say he mo daachi emu onyuno emu onyuno pa se when to me enjina ye ambom pa ya mfa ho amanyame a de be si no enya de papa iti no sagalam say issue part of safety no na yenhwe in diversion kakra ana to finish with it me divert no sa nipia mienu ya yachi omu last was it Monday or last week me teen news let us say Chinese president and say yanko America na yanko say Chinese for na mo ho no omu di nkwasi asem ana
sa no ka ambassador no na say
the ambassador of the president whoever but I learned one of the Chinese officials must such a statement in reference na chese Ghana for na ye jaye ho na omo afa so atena yen so so at the end of the day we have to set up and make sure we do the right thing omo ayachi omo no the corporate won't say in the security sector no you see me amako wia no ya chimia wo me beton ade ne de ma wo na wo toyi no say you na okọ wia ya na mebua but me beton ma no what wia de enti no embremu no wo to ade no so ya che wo ka ho enti no obi onim hu bibia no e wo say embra ni di enti no say ya chi nipa mienu a say 10 o say 8 na edwane no e wo say ya chi omo afei bibrini a oka ho a ode asase ne ma omo odi omo anim oni omo nam nipa machines nipa produce machine e say omo nyina no they have to bring to book and the aspect is say ya Chinese in no by mutual understanding tie deporting akonikrom should not be there it should not be there
mutual understanding
man nko in sawom na nko enjoy won sawom na hwe say dia Ghana te na so kon sawom 2 years na say oba minji ni say neni beji say obetena Ghana man yi mu obekọ no krom straight if you say no krom prison cry na say eyi Ghana ni fie it we have to bring them to book. Set a very good example. Makai Ikronidi Wase Kropo. Go to Wase Kropo and see. They have acquired the land of Wase Kropo in Omatono. And Yamamu concessions in Amuya di Omupeo, Wase Kropo.
Sister, yeah, this is the same place. China ni issue to Ghana ni. Or Henen Okase. Henen Pennyfobi. Na a chrome work for a casse. Or Henen Okatre authority, they say. And as a police for say, boy no ko rob channel ni
omo change asem no cry any different
crime. You know, I'm not challenging the fact is I will say ya power here.
So himfo e bi mo mindset no.
We are simply sick.
Who said the America no I'm kasa me won gina so na me dey kasa because me obi adwuma me ntimi tu kwan so I've used the road me want pictures, I have pictures and videos of the road metimi e dey atro wasa ekropon akasa on the high stretch, you know what is going on there with the galamsey na kokoso said the omase asase. I have pictures and videos which I can show to you. Say on fahoda, just the pictures, you know, you understand what we are talking about. Say so per my conversations with other people there no made me to understand say ohina kasa no na wa mom sa atenase no na omoye dia omoye yes.
There's a channel.
Yes.
Yes. They free agapet. Eba Angola. Ede ba bedu amfima school no. Baby o kam no nyina.
Yeah.
E bedu amfima school mo nyina no. From ho ede konya e channel for no lane. In the channel for na just stores a ho nyina bedu na wa bobo.
Just omoto dino no mamoye de omoye.
Double tonton channel for no nuane. E tonton galamsey no ho.
Marketing kiti bi.
E no mo bie casino no filling station bi. Right opposite at
casino need there's about 6 buildings in a yes. About 6 buildings in a for casinos.
Na ye betumi akọ China akodi Juventus. We can't.
That's the point.
Na him for no ya makwan ma. Sanyoma, why are we doing that?
We are simply
but Ohino has no authority because president say Ohino, I said Ghana president has to sit down, put the feet down. Said their ministers they have to do it more and make sure sanity prevails in the country. Sanity say you see I was say sham max ekata yenim na ye niam bia or doable things. We should make them possible.
Sometimes when you wake up in the morning and you think about these things and a hard dream, you can't even sleep well because if we don't take care, this country will turn upside down. Everything is upside down.
Safety is easy. Say, when you will be a what breaking jailer, ambassador or honor, a man visa, or investigative parliament. And into majority of Chinese,
so the Ghana embassy in China, it's really weak. Ghana embassy in China, you're weak.
And a system Nankasa, you're weak, and an ambassador or you're weak. System Nankasa, are you weak?
Yeah, in Ghana system no. I was said it. Me catch you say here. Ejuma my year for about 22 years in abrofo ejuma and me ne abrofo edin kita ho bebre. Broni ba ko a oba excursion o ha me ne no echo round. Ebie na no ka say broni papa odi yie eti yie emba Africa country embe ye ejuma. Iti no mostly no omo aye ni omo ba no ebe ye ejuma wa ha ni ade no those people who ka say ex-convict those people no omo ya well to do omo hu omo bra no ho no they are the people that they bring in the African countries to come and at least have some living. So said the identity. So our immigration service, what are they doing? Those people when they come in, what did they do to them? Omuma ehwehwe mo ase emmo krata emmo de omonsa esi you say ye sign bond that kind of thing say ebia eman ya maba mu me wi ade me ye niam boni bi ni identity say bia me ye niam boni bi na se mo chemi amunye mi se munye na embre bi no dem say asha so they know that they've signed a bond and they will not misbehave.
When a war memu was so by your mind ho ehunu nyansa bi say yemfa saade we emfanto foreigners enim and as emra we yemfanto foreigners enim. The moment I will see any color different from ours, we bow to that person.
You know something? Me call baby. I think somewhere last year and so some time ago. And me call just a little from Friday night. I age my break. And I think some white guys enter home. They also came to have a little 1 or 2 drinks. But at some point in time, I realized, say, Nabaku misbehaving. And was sorry, Omumi and Nuno, as Omumi and Nuno, they have a misunderstanding. Suddenly, was sorry or misbehaving. Now, yeah, we were just watching them. So I realized that if we don't step up to be sorry, you know how I do my things. So like I said, if you don't stop these guys, I'll walk them out of this place. This place is not for me, but this is my country. I won't allow them to sit here. And I'm not who some guy, and they were surprised because say if you misbehave here, walk out because we are women, we are ladies. They were trying to be if you dare lay hand, you would. We should learn to fight because young fight here. If we don't fight, we will sit down because if we wait for the politician, we die. Sister, I'm telling you, the politician will do nothing for us.
The fight too. Let's not forget to say, I was see you pushing the leaders, for them to start thinking as normal human beings. Because as it stands, that
is why these people will come and come and misbehave, touch our water bodies, destroy it, go scot free.
After the election, they swore an oath. To do the right thing. If I should say that, to do the right thing. I know there, but it is a sign of leadership, which says, if they are not up to the attack, we have to push them to the attack.
To do what they promised us.
We have to push them.
And all we see is lies.
Why wouldn't they lie?
They
will lie because look at what happened inside the Parliament House. Look at what happened. How they were changing over. Look at what happened. What the emotion you see and nobody talked about it. And so why won't you think that these people will enter our country, do whatever they want to do, and walk free?
Na me year comparison with Meneko for Air Kasa. Nam say here Yafa Yam Papa JJ, Yamefa ni Crency, Yafa na Membu and Tunche. But yes, started from a former president Kufuor
2000.
Na Yefambra for presidents ya omo ayeyi na yenhwe. Who say uyi president Kufuor esi nchen a miensa na aka no ayi former president ata ono so nyame fa ne crancy ono na wanche but hwe na membu a the ministers were very strict and they were up to the attacks. Compared to a former president Kufuor, because of initial stage, a minister, I was any or misbehaving or I say not a sports.
The sport wasn't the sports.
Sports minister. Skasembia or man or so ma or condemn for. One minister sitting na
ye ni han call custom officers no
yes. Oh, this is the kind of leadership we are talking about. Itubesha, the 4 years in office, was very successful for him because of the way he treated his ministers. He was up and doing on them, and he checks them. In safety, we have something we call supervision and monitoring. If you give somebody work to do, you have to supervise the work. Supervising the work in interest jinani panoso to say police. But as and when, in a minute, in an hour, just pop on the person and check whether the person is doing what you told him to do. Yes. Oh, this is what we are talking about. One ma obi ejuma say on yet. For instance, let me bring in we are talking about safety, so we'll box everything together. We'll box the health, safety, we'll box environment, everything.
That's it.
Let's come back to Pipeano. White Diamonds.
Okay.
There is a bridge there. Yes, there's a bridge there. Now bridge, two bridge. How many months in it?
Almost 4-5 months in it.
Obian Fanisan kind. Said the tinanity, even pedestrian, unam from crab baby after last week. Tembi ami isuka. Na last week na msi mi exercise kakra. Yes. Na me de be fa baby a bridge no no. Menya access. I was say me see bridge nim and nanti gata nim and sametimi across it to the other side. How possible? Someone himself when you ready some bear bridge now. I don't hear some to bridge no. Because bridge you know wasn't in a bad condition.
Okay, I can't want some. You're a resident in your heart, Auntie Grace. Or Betsna, her Ekasa. You see, she was very bitter. Okay, Auntie Grace Baha. Or say, Pama, this is Pama, me Jim. And no pay because it's your bad time. I'll keep yellow gallons. And Mudru, me, I can't even carry a bucket. Oh. Let alone. And see, when you're ready, some Mobile Bridge. Why do you go and put an excavator there and just for you don't get this country anymore? You wake up every morning and you don't know what to do. Now 4 months down the line, Auntie Grace Val, catch her and say, say offer contractor, say them so contractor and fan call because we must have particular residents.
And you know no money, Juma. It's your fan call the idea.
Fan call.
So who gave that contractor the job?
Yeah,
or the contract?
Very
and
soon.
what was in the agreement, the contract agreement? Was it in the contract agreement and it said make to two coin in fan for 1 year? No, on high aging for 1 year and so I turn it to the work and complete the job Anna. Is it part of the contract?
About it too. Yeah, Koka. I'm saying before the but you see, some of these things, the youth of the country are getting sick and fed up. And a time is going to come, they will rise. And when they rise,
Eastern Chrome area hono. Now imagine say na ya bokrojan. Ya bohan ekma.
Exactly.
Akoyi whoever is in charge there. Esi abonte. Chane chimba. Do you think such a thing will continue?
You should go to work.
We will get someone only na juma layman bia yaman position. I'll be free security personnel. Say yamra
emeboyen. Oh, and then I afraid
security ni beba. Na oba ye nyina babu ye ho.
One thing about the system they say on security no security service no e be hu say da bi edrum pempenso bi a the civilians no right in the support to more things will change.
Oh God of his mercy.
Things will change.
Me know ye kasi me know ye kasi oko all the security agencies ayen ye kura no a percentage of them are listening to us.
Oh, they listen very well.
And me know kasi some of them use the road.
Yes.
And they also have a hell on the road. Yes. Because even the access route to crown out the car air for no, it's not favorable.
Ayobi feature.
Obi workshop. And yes, Obi workshop. Apart from that, lot of crown sweat to cry. I just no cry say and car.
No, debut. Say a so cry into 2 crown. That lane, that lane. And
for commercial use.
Exactly.
Commercial cars.
Because
private.
Cars need to diversify.
Yes.
And
foot throw air man for them.
A hon air choir. I will be a choir, a corner dam. I will be choir, air corner storm.
Every home calano cross
and almost and it is not for commercial purpose.
Yeah.
It is not for commercial purpose. Anytime I can say, unless say, near be best son, Jesus security personnel,
we
do some time
anymore.
Civilians, they are right, so we should allow them. Even when we are called to discipline them,
we are right because
they have their
right. Roots now.
Their thing says sanity, but on the security aspect, Embra eye juma pa. You obey before complain. So first of all, they will have to obey. Make sure they silence the crowd. Then later on, they will go into their chambers and talk to their boss and say, "Hey, boss, the omo na." But before then, the harm has already been caused. Oh, this is what we are talking about. Say, although the law enforcement agencies are there, but we should be up and doing. We should sit up and push the elders and let them know, say, what they said they will do. And we are paying them. We are paying them for the service they have to render to us, the members, So we should make sure that, because here, engineer, Minji say, Uba ebetna hefa graphic now, Kayan one betna a microphone here. but some say be the so betia oka so it how come say what say yi me no wo yensika ye di tia either a minister or DC or whoever now at the end of the day no the right thing is not done.
And the last time na asaba me can say so many year be ba ko a enka tax paying tax yentua tax no
anko bi entia
be pose
anko bi entia
until say hu say krofo bi yisu omunyansa ansa na continue
every day there's tax going into the system. It goes in like that, but we don't see anything.
Etua we ni etua we no kan etua we ka, but ye hunu bibia. Yet all these useless and stupid system that we are seeing, you know, it started from above. Yet hani ache obi a wo try that rose friend say asha one so one.
Yeah. Rosewood
no all say o twitwa na illegal friend say we no dey ni o ma ye che no. Penimu a dwene woni trimu a ne anim sese be mpedu ase ye ka peni ana ayi obi a dwene woni trimu e be ka kire ye say
$18,000
o be ka kire ye say ye process anase ye prosecute asha ho na enye ye sanso ye foreigner ba emia Ghanaian na watwa brode akwakoton no ono ne hunam ne ye black onye nipa
obi mfichire
abrofo de omo bible aba be ka to say uhun nipa bibini a oye slave onye nipa nti Ghana ni na ono no watwa brode no onko 15 years but ono no Rosewood na illegal
illegal means na echaye
when I make us say timemufo no ye ti sa asem wo ya na ya sare gina hey yampene
that's it
yampene until the right thing justice is done we won't allow it to go free yet to me as original sanya ma we nyina
si beta release ma no from cells ma okoli krom kranson no safuma fo ba be masa e friend say empty excuse no sir oye to me prosecute
in this country
because oye white
stop in everything
oye white or bro Ghana mraso oye ne color no oye fita or superior or bro Ghana mraso emra ne sanase because oye white
dia ye king so Yeba Road Maka Bridge now yenhwe Seko Junction yenhwe ye N1 road ewo anaje bypass no okay hwe fifi na yaye no hwe se de nwura efu
ya kan ho asema ka ho asema
apart from nwura no won say you can say bricks na omude ayesa fence no fiti time omuye road no omu painting ho da it's supposed to be painted white so that when you are driving in the night
you can see
reflect
light better so na we hu say bibi wo ho say the be ya on fanfro but this thing has not been painted since how many years now how many months now Seko Junction die cars afro every evening cars afro so dear minor team no look at our zebra crossings they have all faded and now you can't identify any zebra crossing in the on the road
even if they do it they don't do it well
the white lane that is at the sides and in the middle of the road they are all gone ubisa won say highways any urban roads what are their main core and what are their responsibilities on the road so what I say but our money is being used in paying them every month
it goes into their bank accounts
and
they live lavishly they enjoy themselves sitting in Fridays V8
me Azim Road in front of you can say Global Haulage
yes
now a contractor fail potholes so I stopped and I asked one of them say number 2 enim ho no omo fail potholes na me gina na me bisa guy ba ko say na mo jima mu ye enche 1 month impo sometimes endu na I dey so etutu biom guy ne ka che me say omo ye ni yi a e be de na omo nya juma ye which means they have to do shadow work in 2-3 days time
call back again
yes to come and do the same thing again
That's the mentality.
Black mentality.
That is
the evil mind we have.
Supervision and monitoring aspect in America no. Whether urban roads or highways, what Bankrofo Juma saw omunye. Do you come and check whether the right thing is done? You will not come and check because you've taken your 50%.
Yes, yes.
Once you've taken your 50%, you know, they will not get enough money to buy the materials to do the job. So in that case, how can you monitor them and supervise that the right thing is done?
You can't.
Oh, this is a country that we are. I was said, Minka said bebum, but Timenufo and Kokranim Browane, we have to stand up on our feet and put them to task. We should ask them, we should let them be accountable to the positions given to them. Because if they are not accountable, they will always take us for right.
Oh, they've taken us already.
Look at ECG case that is, I mean, all over the place.
The country.
I don't know the in and out of the whole thing. But per the work I've done for the past 20 years in one organization, what I've seen there, the very first day I met the issue on air. Now I'm saying no. You know, it could be said this person came and he has blocked all the access entrances. Amount for DDD because you see company, DDD company more, DDD in chain. What I say, DDD in chain. But this is the situation where people are eating in the company. Sika was a call Ghana by honor the year Jumano, not a core individual, nipa ba kuboto. It you know, I'm sure this man has been able to, I mean, blocked all these entrances. And because they are not getting what they have to get, that's why they are fighting for the removal of this person.
Yes.
So what I say, fine.
And the people
genuinely,
they know.
Yes, genuinely they may have a case, say, yeah, he's not performing or whatever. But per my working ethics and what I've seen with the unionization and all those things, so that's what I'm coming from.
Okay.
So I draw my conclusion on that line. But if fine, ebia waba abe blockade areas bi aye maybe I heard some 3% or something. Minim divisions in ye. Fine. Call for investigators, let them go into the matter and see say fine 3% na why you know. Call the bottom one na say call government or call the bottom there, then we have the right to sanction him. But if that 3% is going to the government, then why not clap for him? Says you can individual person's pocket. Name mom Ghana buy her ebe boy nyina. What said the identity? It you know when we are talking about a year, then let's see say those people we have given positions. We tax them. We make them accountable for the position that they are holding. What said the amateur no? Now, as we are talking about the road, yes, say, me say we some of the videos and the accident pictures. Ubisa who say this loading in for a loading. Ube 207. Now you loaded 207 to say there 207 a track. A whole series of pictures sir. Ube say 207 a loading or kwa no abofo. Just last week picture bia minyan imbabi omu gina me fan se market circle okay omu gina market circle so ho na track no eba na omu yi omu phone na omu di chai so you could hear them speaking Chi language na track kono because of electrical cables in no onipa ba afro atra track no so no credua odu baby electrical cable wa no di no apeja electrical cable no na edu be ne ya no wada load no so because osro and uhwe the way I can load na ebetumi abo format any time it ubisa ho say nyame ncha de Sunday ya twem ya mini Pentecost men's ministry ekoye road safety education into some of these videos and pictures and I'm there me slide. No me before I start me be a question say road safety na hwan asudi. Obi say president asudi. obi say road safety for asudi na ebilum say ye nyina yasudi na am say okay and mama yen share na me start slide no me yi pictures me yi video nti me wie na me say okay pictures here ye hwe yi said their cars ye loadi fancy abobo ya na say ye hu pictures bi abobo ya na St Mary's boys egu etire another one TTI boys egu etire na ubisa won say TTI boys na bia omo ye sachet water na ana say abia no omo ye bidie ye koton omo ana. Oh, because Aboboya is meant for cargo, it's not meant for human occupancy. It is at the end of the day now nipa uti na Aboboya ichi na bisa onsa ho ye niama na. Nti mibisa mo say sisia no sa pictures ye ehu I be a president na ma order say omun load cars ne sa na. President na ma order say omun ye bibi ete sa na. Ana say road safety for na ma order say omun ye bibi sa na. Debi station master oti ho anase bookman oti ho ana driver no na oma order ne say omonye. Iti at the end of the day no when we are talking about road safety issues a shared responsibility. Oh, shared responsibility ni say who passenger no o kwakofro car no we see kana wutia no utia ama driver ne say onfa wo free baby a ugina sisia no and for unkodru wo destination wo next place of wo safely it's like tianika for the service now oberenda ede ama wo no wo akwenja ne say driver ni na o ka share no say on ka ne ye iniama nko yi a wo ho kwan say utumi prompt ne say driver ebia wo America na wo kona no den dodo driver baby we overtaking the enye twisan won ye tika mu a e wo say yetumi kasa broni kasa speak up uti ka mu a men tina ka mu say tina ka mu na nda ne say enye ka mu na yeda ka mu na ye bedroom enye ho na yeda
ka ni ntu ye kwa no asha ase yeda
enye ho na yeda itino driver ni no wo de won kwa e hye ne nsa na de won kwa ehye ne se wo pe won kwa ne yie anase wo mpe ne yie se wo pe won kwa ne yie die ni se wo da wo e se wo ni driver ni nyina aka hye no ekokoduru se de be abibi nko yi obetumi aka kire no last week me kwa Accra na 207 bi be pa me ho around South Pond na opa me ho anche bia ye hwe na a suitcase middle size bi eda for 207 na opa me ho no boot no your different types your free by Bible ye biemu mienu sei na opa me ho no me say ye biemu a ya packing ne megu finfin na na de ahoma chechechechire iti no that tells you say in see ota ne ma ni nyina ebefo apart from that ne ma na ye de ahoma achechire no finfin no if in the aspect of we are bump na rough road no finfin ne ma ni bi ebetimi adrop iti ni saka ne epa me ho no on me who said I'm who said South Pond kwa before bedroom and kasim no ubefu people no we sane emu wa pa tintin before abe sane no I say electricity bi wo right side ya so be am na sa side no ya nti ye sane people no nti sane no na hu bag no mehwe menim no na 207 ejina ma mate ni no edi emika e ba be fa bag no nti imagine say anajo a anko beja bag no wo ho akwa akodru station wo bag ni ya wo dia no wo bedru na bag ni ka ni
na apart from bag no no let's assume say be a daytime and acquire that to top speed
no wo ofoja ho
and a bag no e free the betimi akosa accident
yes
exactly
because the moment obey ya tokwa ni mo no
say imagine
from two better
said they are working speed of the palm ho no ne bia me si medi na chi
good
anka bag no ebe hinti dia dia amame
yes
you see the indiscipline on the roads
inti no ye nyina ya sedi wo passenger na wo kwakofro car no se car no loading point no aye ma men for sisi yen fa oni am fan shame wo kofro car no crowd luggage make sure say luggage na ko car no safely
safe
Iti no sa 207 na ye bie tire e packing ne amade shem ni nyina no enye mbra. E say police for chichi o kodru a 5 cedis na ko. 5 cedis na ko.
Load the car no super nyoma e was na
you load the car to say their car no e low bed. Oh, when you na ntwe ye e mayen. Into the law enforcement agencies, you know, should be up and doing. At the end of the day, yen na ye tia yen ka. Hwe me catch you say kakra bia woje no. Uma weni so na boss umpire nyame ma ne so. Me no ka say me resigning last year March na me resigning. But me catch you say 1 year ni menji sika na meje at the end of the month. Previous years. But still, minimum busiafo, yehotoye. We still live as we lived previously. So said identity. Because you need to be manageable. You need to be content with what you have. If you are not content with what you have, that is what compels you to go around for jujune, sa inyamaniamano. Oh, but if you are content with what you have, the Lord will bless you so much that whatever you have, you know, ebe son, ason, oma, u dependence, for nyina. It, no, road safety, no, a shared responsibility. Ye nyina ya said it, and ye road safety for said it. Road safety for said it, say, omo be church, now omo be say, oh, a quine so no, sa marking sinin yamania maybe no, omo be can say, omo be suggested to a be a Ghana highways, and I say, Oban Road say, oh, I say, Muya zebra crossing waha, very good. I say, mo the sign we see a fine idea. But at the end of the day, no, omu to me show mo en ye. Oh, nti me imagine some about transfer said the tia ye kase, na ya kasa na ye wia. Wa wo say no dia na wo ya fa ho. Now no, dia ye kan nyina no, ene mo amu tie ye no, ye nyina ye wa asudi o. Sisi an ye tie ye chire. Wo what no udi be ye adwuma na se wo fa ye adwuma hwe ye wo school ye tete omo person be safety officers na obi frame me onya me number na ofra first thing me no obisa sikasem ne ade said the course no ko ka no we are the last thing is say na what is the possibility of getting job na me say master, do you go to school to acquire knowledge or you go to school to acquire job? So we are not here to give you job. We are here to give you head knowledge. Once you get the head knowledge, it's up to you to apply it. Because if you cannot apply that head knowledge that you have acquired from here, then forget it. It is not our duty to put job in you or to give you job. But yeah, because me yeah, auto mechanic. Me yeah, auto mechanic. At the end of the day, I'm saying no, me yeah, be be safety. So I said I make sure no. Me be safety no. Me come in some few years, and I'm saying no. Let me start a shop. And I'm be a shop, a safety shop. Oh, into be a shop, and I'm saying no. I can do more than that. Into I can do more than that, you know. And I'm come anymore, and I'm be accreditation from UK to run their program here in Ghana.
Okay.
Oh, it's not somebody me sitting in the house or in the room and somebody giving me these jobs. Nimdina manyano na me apply me say no ade media we be yem so I make a move towards it. And this is where I am. And I'm not even satisfied with it. So I want to even do more than that.
More. That's right.
Oh, I'm still fighting ahead. So at the end of the day, no, your course school say benya nimdi no. Benya nimdi ni bia. Inti tembia no in the class no minya first badge of class na me start here. Them this start here mo say look. Say ye class way. We certificate ba. Na me say wa ko joining unemployed association na say we jimi. Inti no we say be anymore. Straightforward. Me I don't like saying fact and using the word sebio. Sebio for what? Oh, kind of correct. And yet try to meet no correct. So why should I add the word sebio? What you say? No. Mama, papa, I turn on to my sweat or the show school. When your certificate, she said also when you drink. Knowledge. Danny no. Na fire bibi no so nya bibi fa hwe omo. Because omo hwe. Ama wo see afifi wo so hwe no mo sin tutu. Na wo di certificate e hwe osu mi ase. Wo da dem ebo games, WhatsApp, hwe Facebook. Na uvia wa ba be draw say unemployed association, then you are mad. You are mad. One said at the end, if you are not making a move, now what is them one? When they fed you with them,
it hasn't happened.
You have to move,
and it won't
and you are not moving. Me school 94. Poly, me auto
mechanic.
Yeah. Now from there no, me drive also into me application driver my state one as a mechanic, driver mechanic. And applications in the brain a good bag na me dey call round from mechanic shops from one to the other. That was 94. Okay. And now me ya man ye intino me call store ekoye juma store for 4 years. So 98, 99 na me sign start application bio. Na nyame ncha dem beto say a group of people are there. Na me say Charlie na there na ekoso na me say oh your drivers na ya from for interview. Na me say and there Charlie miss minim car ko na juma antina me so kra me na me ya antino ya be ni there. Na one of the permanent staff around no say o letter how their farmer me no je letter no dey go inside. And that was my job opportunity. Okay. I was the first person to work. I was the last person to be interviewed. But I was the first person to start work. So said I make sure no. And then they did more. It's at the end of the day, no did say maybe when you na me try them and me sasha me dem refer say Charlie my year a year. Whoa, and as a Marco Jenny Association, so unemployed association, how can I get job? You need to move and you need to work on the knowledge you've gotten. You know, and there are church say near the end. Mumma ye fan ye juma. Okay. So I say ye fan ye juma, if I so be any so. If I so be any so. It's mumma fan ye juma.
Mr. Party, another way or educate here. Nice one. Yeah, but yeah, time as you know, in summary, be at the 1 minute last words na fe abi prominence and tools and free na on sani eme yenje. I think this is the first phase if any started it as time goes on e beto so in that order na just here to me feed the masses each every time on all fronts into Adaroma obehwe na wa bonto
say there can no ye ka say safety in general eye ankro enye obakofo asedi eye ankro nti say ye ankro dia na che say me ne wo ye wo ya said say ye wo ye roller see play na impanyimfo no so wo mo roller say wo play but at the end of the day impanyimfo no accountable to us and we also accountable to them. If you say panyin bi ma wadwuma say koya make sure say wetin deliver ni ye me boss tell me I say +1 also what dey tell me I ma wadwuma we ye no +1 na che say we ye dwuma no ma ne seni e ma ne bro so say dey make sure no it you know wo form ho no ye ma wadwuma make sure say dwuma no wa ye ni ye men ye study work na wo panyin so oti wo no ma dwuma make sure say we follow up. A supervisor make sure say dwuma no say dey opese ye no saa na ye no na say ye ne saa e man no e be koyi ama ye nyina na ye nyina so ya enjoy e say ya ye nyina na be say ama ye ye yi a ye nyina na be yi ama ye nti no ye nyina ye mboa na enye yi ama ye nyina ye timi a enjoy nti me da tiefo nyina ase
yes that say Mr. Richmond Jonas Kwesi Kwate OSHA Association UK Occupational and Safety Health Association health tips safety tips
specialist. Yeah, and we all need to get involved because yan sha see ya yen and nti no utie ofie na de e be som say yen to be phone lines because now come on do baby sometimes see money flow exactly we need it because we a pep talk
yeah
yes we feel as a utia e be remind o nti Mr. Cotti e be da wase an pay e did say e ton safra obesan ba bi okay we send you see bom me mampom so
won say dia ye kan say before no ye hu change of color ne kakra na ya adwen abodam nti unse mbema no omu hu ubehwe na say yemba omu wo Ghana ni nyina no madane abrofo
so omu
hey omo broni color no nti say meba studio hana mini broni aba be kasa wa ha de hey who from me for the whole 24/7 na meba be tra me meba be tra na yabo
that's up to you.
Okay, better ask me support. Who's out here? So better ask. Better be biase. Low price masters and a found a pop for who car. Yeah, they